Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from negestyle. Today I'm introducing to you our new friend called the Leon. The Leon is a half scale but this mannequin that will help us in draping, creation of stars. It's not easy to reproduce complicated designs. So with the dress form, a smaller scale, it gives you enough time to practice and learn so you could be able to reproduce it on a bigger scale. So that's why we have a new friend for all our drapings and our creation of styles. So come learn with me, or you could also buy one for yourself if you're learning how to sew. So this video is how I unbox and mount the new dress form. So stay tuned and let's go ahead. This is how it comes in a carton in a box. So I'm taking it out and it was wrapped up like this, and that's all the parts. You have the leg, the stick for the leg, and you have like a thank you note. Thank you for buying the Leon. You have the base, that's the base. All right, box on the side. So first thing is to take out everything from the wraps, like the protective wraps. I use my scissors was to unbox to open the box. So now I'm gonna rip it off and bring out everything from the wraps. Listen, you need this if you really want to learn sewing. If sewing is your passion, is something you're interested in, you need to invest in a dress form. I have a bigger one, but sometimes it's hard to shoot on the bigger one, and it's gonna waste more fabric, since sometimes it's the purpose of the draping or the creation is to learn how to create a style, learn how to bring out the design. So it's always good to have a smaller scale. So when you're doing the smaller scale, less fabric, you can easily work on a bigger scale. So I encourage everyone to get this. This was a plus. A plus was the arm. The arm was a plus because this was the actual thing I purchased, the dress form. It's a size 6 on the half scale, of course. It's a size 6 on the half scale, sorry. That's the base. The base is like a metal, black metal. One surface is completely metal, and the other surface, the other side, it has like a foam. Maybe I think that's the base for it to stand firm on the ground. I believe so. Stand firm on the surface where you're going to place it. So here is the legs. Call it the legs. It's adjustable. You could go higher or lower depending on what you're making. I also love the fact that it has like legs. It has ties. It'll help for pants. Yeah, it's gonna help for pants, because some dress form, like the other one I have a bigger dress form, adjustable. You don't have the leg, the thighs divided, so it's not good for pants. But this one help you to create like jumpsuits and pants. It helps you take measurement for jumpsuits and pants. So more creations, and with the arm gives it the plus to do clothes with sleeves and long sleeve, short sleeve. Like it gives you the base of the shoulder to help you create more stuff. Like I'm so excited about this dress form. God give me the strength, give me the power, give me the time to create with it. So that's the base. Okay, I'm gonna listen. We're doing this together. I'm learning with you. Never did this before, and I opened the box right in front of everyone. So be patient with me. I'm learning how to do it. I'm figuring it out. I have this for a long time now. I just didn't have the time to start to create this video. So I'm trying to understand. Oh yeah, I have to unscrew that and then place it on the base and the screw on top and the leg at the bottom and screw it to the base. I believe that's what I have to do. So this is unboxing with me, so just stay tuned, watch to the end. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. The more you watch or the more you hit the like button, that's how my video will be shared for more people to discover what negestyle is, for more people to share the video, and for YouTube to recommend my video so more people can watch and learn. You got some stuff that are interested for everyone else to know. So please show your love and like the video, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, because we have amazing videos on designs, on nails, so many things, decorations, cooking, whatever. God bless my hands with. So we still mounting up the half scale bodies mannequin. So just stay tuned and watch to the end. Later. As I said earlier, the legs is adjustable. You could bring it up, take it down. If you sew in the pants or a long dress with the train, you put it up, but now just put in like a little down because there's no project right now. So you can always put it up when you have a long dress with train or pants. So, oopsie, I cracked my nail. I think I cracked my nail. Oh my God, accidents happen. Now I have to fix it. I can't walk around with cracked nails. So, there you go, your dress form. And now I'm going on to attach the arms. So, I'm going to bring the camera closer or upper. I'm going to move my camera a little bit up so we can focus on the shoulders, the neck, and put the sleeves to the bodies. So a little up, a little more, little more, right there. All right, we are attaching the arm. Remember the arm come separate, and the arm is made of foam. Like you could put pins in it. It's like you see like the cushion you use with your pins and all of that. It has cushion in the arm. The arm is like completely different from the fabric of the bodies. So the arm is very more flexible and usable. So this is how you attach it. You have two options. You could stitch it in if you're working with sleeves, or you can unstitch it like quick stitches, like stitches just to hold it to the bodies, because that is made of fabric. You could sew it through, or you could just pin it in if it's not for too long, if it's just to create like a simple quick style. But if you want to do something with sleeve, I advise you to stitch it in and like loose stitches just to hold it together with the bodice, because if you don't do so, if you just pin it, the pin might fall off while you're working. You don't want that kind of situation. So I advise you to stitch it in if you're working on something with sleeves, so it can stay firm on the bodies, on the half scale bodies pattern, bodies mannequin. So that's how you put the sleeves. And we're almost at the end of our video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're still watching so far. Our new friend the Leon is done and ready. We are ready for our draping, our creations of style, and you can name it all. Let's get busy. Let's learn some sewing. Thank you for watching to the end, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.